sectors we started with soft fruit farming in a small way, pick your own soft fruit, and then in the mid-80s we started the pet food shop. We've changed the fruit business quite a bit from field production to tabletop production on the Spanish tunnels, and the Spanish tunnels have enabled me to manage the system a lot easier. The new tractor that we've just bought needed to replace a tractor that fitted down those rows that these rows were designed for, so compact size was very important. And it also needed to fit under the right to the end with the lower the grass between the rows. And it's quite essential that this ROPS comes down. The demo tractor that we had the rear mounted ROPS, and it was closer to the tunnel now. So this is much better with it like it is. So having a small tractor to go in and out of the lanes is essential. The way we run soft fruit, the use of the tunnels and